In this quick video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Chevy Volt key fob. You can replace your battery at home without any special tools or knowledge or anything like that. You don't need to bring this thing to the dealership. The only things you will need are a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. And the whole process, start to finish, will take you under 5 minutes. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around or you're not sure where to get one, go check out the link in the description. That first link will take you to an Amazon listing of these batteries for a great price. So check that out if you're interested, and then let's jump right into it. What we want to do is just find the button on the left side of your device and hold down that silver button while you pull out your internal key. Now hang on to this key because we're going to use this to pry off the back piece of plastic. Watch me do it first, and then I will give you the little tips to make it easier for you. But we're just sticking it in and prying it open so we can get access to that key. So you want to put it in the keyhole, just a little bit in there. If you go in too far and you pry, it's actually held down by a piece of plastic inside of there, and you can pull all you want. This thing is not going to open. You want to go just inside and find that if you put it all the way in and then you apply a little bit of pressure and you just slowly bring it out, you'll find this spot where you're stuck. If you push it in, it's not going in. And if you start to pry, you're kind of pushing it in and you're prying it back. And you can look at the seam of the plastic. And if you see it start to open, that means you're in the correct spot. If you're in too far and you're prying, you will not see any opening at all. This thing will never open. So just get in there. Once you see that you are making a little space in that seam, just commit to it and push and pry. So I'm pushing while I'm prying, and it will just open up. It doesn't take too much force. Once you get your key in there, you will get a feel for it, and it is not too difficult to do. That was the hard part. Now we just need to pull the battery out. You can just do it with your fingers, especially if you have longer nails, or if you're like me and you do not have longer nails, grab something like a flathead, or you could use a pen or pencil. All we want to do is just get under the battery so that we can push it up and out of place. Now go ahead and dispose of your old battery. Take your new CR2032 battery, and when you're putting it in there, make sure the positive side is going down. So plus side down, snap it back into place so that it's sitting flat. And now we can just click these two halves back together. So set one on top of the other. Make sure that it is lined up nicely before squeezing. And then you can just put your key back in there. And with that, you have a new battery in your key fob and you are good to go. So I hope that was helpful for you. If it was, you can let me know down in the comments or just by giving this video a like. We'd love to hear from you guys. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, you can come back here to this channel. We've got you covered with videos for the devices for almost every make and model out there. You can also get that information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.